Get Udemy for Affiliate Marketing Masterclass, Newbie to Advanced Bootcamp. Welcome to the Become a Complete Affiliate Master Marketing Machine. This class is a master class as it is a course that combines a few of my affiliate courses together. I will first teach you how to create a website using Wix, where you can not only use it to join those affiliate programs, you can also use it to promote your affiliate links once you get accepted into the various affiliate programs. In summary, in this class you will learn how to join various affiliate programs, how to create a Wix website, how to join those programs and lastly use social media to promote your affiliate links. Lastly, I will show you how to run paid ads to generate even more traffic to your affiliate links. In this course I will cover the following affiliate programs. Course should be priced at $1,200, but Udemy only allows me to price a course at $200 limit. Learn to be etc., Amazon, Udemy, Skillshare affiliate, and create your own website. Total of 5 of my best-selling courses combined into one master class. In this class you will learn how to join affiliate programs, create a website using Wix, use social media to promote, get more traffic with paid ads. This course is worth nearly thousands of dollars, as each class separate costs hundreds of dollars to enroll. Save huge by enrolling in this all-in-one master class. Overall hours of content that is guaranteed to make you money or your money back. If you not happy for any reason, you got 30 days to get a full refund. That is how much confident I am that you will love this course. Take your affiliate knowledge to the next level and beyond with this awesome course. The money you will pay to enroll will be made many times over. Every second you wait you are losing money, because you could making more today with the knowledge you learned after taking this course. Zero risk to you. If you are not happy for any reason, ask Udemy for a refund. Test drive this course for 30 days. I promise you what you learn will pay this course for itself easily. This is the system all many successful eBay dropshippers now use. How do I know this? I tried many different methods and finally perfected one that works really well and is profitable. Please subscribe, hit the bell and share this with your friends.